Hello and welcome again. In the previous video, I mentioned about using your tracking software to track your affiliate links or clicks into your whatever products you're promoting. And I mentioned about tracking pixels in the previous video and how that is being used to track your links and your conversions. Now, the second method that I'm going to talk about today is called um, your postback URLs. So this is another way to track your conversions, your affiliate offers, or whatever products you're promoting. So it's you can think about it's a more simpler way to do it, but then again there's a there are pros and cons, and your depends really on your preference. But the main difference of a postback URL, if you're familiar with with HTML and dealing with links, is that it uses um, your link directly and just adding a variable or a part to the query string if you would like it. So if you would like to put it that way, so basically it's a way to track the clicks by putting a click ID to your particular ClickMagick link. And the way that uh, uses this or does this or implements this is through your query string. So I'm just gonna briefly go through how you can do that. And then again, there is a very good tutorial in ClickMagick itself. It's free to explore. You can go to the help menu and just type in postback in the FAQ section and their knowledge base, which is really full of high quality documentation. So it looks something like this. So if you go to your frequently asked question or FAQ page under the help menu here, you just type in postback and then search. And one of the first matches would be this: how do I track conversions using postback URL? So if you click that, and then there are other important questions as well. But if you click that, it will take you to a page something like this, and it will show you how you can troubleshoot and basically the steps on how to install your postback URLs. But I'm not gonna go through that in detail because I don't want to be redundant. However, I want to show you how exactly what is the difference between a postback URL and a tracking pixel. So let's go right in. So postback URLs. I just want to give you a brief summary. Is that postback URLs are were invented for by affiliate networks to offer accurate, even more accurate tracking than tracking pixels to track your affiliate sales. So all modern affiliate networks and many private affiliate programs offer this postback URL method functionality, which is sometimes referred to as server-to-server tracking. So, in other words, they're saying that this is created by the affiliate programs and some private affiliate programs out there to track more accurately server-to-server tracking. Why this is so? Because it goes directly to the link. How, if you remember, the tracking pixel itself is again a display element that you put in your web page or your landing page, and there are some factors that can affect if a pixel is might be trouble might be in trouble or not functioning as it's intended. Why? Because there are some, sometimes people stop before, loading the before the page becomes fully loaded in your browser, and sometimes the pixel doesn't fire. That's why they say that. So um, there are some other factors. Maybe the connections are slow. Maybe you can't, get to the loading of the pixel itself. In this case, that's why they invented or they created the postback URL. And to be honest, this is also a much more easier way to implement tracking. So um, yeah, that's the reason why postback URLs are very important. However, one of the disadvantages of postback URL is that your affiliate network must support it. So if you are, using a very popular affiliate network like Max Bounty or ClickBank or JVZoo, those are like well known. They use postback URLs as their method of tracking, so they allow this, and you need to input a special, URL in the back end so that they can match the clicks through your links. And it will, later on I will show you how to do that. But basically, this is one of the disadvantages. So if your network doesn't, allow this, then you might want to result into pixel tracking pixels, which is not bad at all. Like, it is also a widely used industry standard. So to get started, you need to use ClickMagick's Click ID token. So I'm gonna, show you quickly how that works, how that looks like, and then use the Postback builder to generate your Postback custom Postback URL. So I'm gonna show you briefly what that looks like here. So in this page, this is part of the tutorial, but I'm not going to go through, in detail too much. You can read it and, in your own time. Obviously, if you don't know what a query string is, that's going to be an important part of this. So I suggest that you read up on it beforehand. So a query string is the part of the URL wherein you pass, tokens or parameters. So in this case, we are passing the click ID, and this is a special string that you pass to your query string, to your actual URL. So if you are familiar with your your affiliate link, I'm assuming that you already know how to get your affiliate links. So it might look something like this, and up to this point, you know um, that might be the link that is given to you. Now, in order to use a postback URL, you need to add a thing called a token, which identifies your clicks. So this is what it is. The exact URL can be built for you by ClickMagick by using their postback URL builder. So if you go to that builder, it will look something like this. And these are the most of the affiliate networks that are supported in this postback URL builder. And basically, these are the tokens or the click ID parameters that you can put in your URL to add to your query string. And it will start tracking your clicks. So if you go to the postback URL, it'll look something like this. And then you can, go into your affiliate network that you're using. For example, this example uses Max Bounty. And then Max Bounty uses this S2 token. And then you will use that token to add to your query string. And it will look something like this. It will look something like this in the previous example here. So when the final URL is done, it will look something like this. So your affiliate link plus the token, it will be like that. And then you can use this to create your tracking link. And how do you create a tracking link? It can be in a separate video. It's on a separate video. However, I also strongly suggest, there's a tutorial there as well. You can read up on that. So now you can use this. You can also use this directly, in your product offers. So, yeah, this is not so it's not so much clear if you don't have background on what a URL is or HTML. But basically, this will try to help track the clicks to your affiliate links. So I hope that this gives a very brief overview of what the postback URL method is. And if you have any questions, put down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them and clarify much more in the next and in the following videos. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.